we're going to talk about circles and the standard form of circles. And so remember that a circle has some center point and then is evenly spaced, perfectly spaced, a lot better than I'm doing now, with a radius of r. And so what we want to do is we want to talk about the standard form of a circle and the pieces that matter. And if you're looking at this, notice that we can make this point an xy, and we're going to call this center point hk, and that should look familiar, and it is familiar. It's related to what we did with parabolas. But we're going to change things around a little bit. And the distance around any point on the circle is always r away from the center point. So the distance, using the distance formula, would give us x minus a squared plus y minus k squared. And remember that the distance is really an r. Well, we don't like the square root, so let's square both sides. So we get r squared equals x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared, and we get our answer. So we use the distance formula to create this. And really, we want it the other way around. We'd really prefer standard form to have the x's and the y's on the left and the radius squared on the right. So now that we've talked about that, let's create some standard forms. So let's suppose we have a circle. We're told the radius is 3, and the center is at the point minus 2, 5. And so if we took our graph of this, we go back 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's our center point, and then our radius would be 3, so 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, 3, to the left 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 3, and then we draw the best little circular shape we can. Make it look less like a football, more like a circle if you can, but this will work out just fine. There's our circle. But we want the equation of this circle, and the way we get that is we look at our formula, and it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and we just plug in what we know. X minus minus 2 becomes x plus 2 squared. Y minus 5 stays, and this becomes 3 squared, which is 9. So here is the standard form of the equation of a graph with a radius of 3 and a center at minus 2, 5, and here is its graph.